So you can clearly tell that these headlights are foggy and you can barely see into them. Alright, so it's time to try out the WD40. Wow, no way! What's up guys, this is JDM for All, and today we're going to talk about my 2003 Honda CR-V's headlights. As you guys can see, they are very foggy and they really don't look good. They've really had a lot of damage from the sun and the elements, so I've tried waxing them and using different techniques, and it does last for a while. I've even used the Amazon headlight wipes, which I actually ran out of, so we're going to try a different approach today. So I've heard of people using WD-40 for their headlights, so I thought I would try it out, so let's see how good it works. Obviously, I'm not expecting the best results, and I doubt it will last too long. So this is what my driver's side headlight looks like before. And this is what my passenger headlight looks like before. So you can clearly tell that these headlights are foggy and you can barely see into them. Alright, so it's time to try out the WD-40. Wow, no way! Okay, so this actually works surprisingly well. Obviously, this is a temporary approach, but it still looks pretty good, and it definitely looks way better than it was before. So this works almost as good as some headlight wipes that are out there, which are basically just oil. So I'm actually pretty impressed, and I can barely even tell that there was any damage on this headlight. I mean, look, you can see right through it now. This really is pretty cool, and I barely used any. So there are still small spots that are foggy, but it looks much better than it was before. This is the before and after of the passenger headlight, and in my opinion, it looks really good. Obviously, this is a temporary fix. And there are some spots in the center of this headlight that are kind of rough, and they don't look as good as the rest of the headlight. And this is the driver's side headlight, and as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. It does look way better than it was, but you can obviously see rough patches all over it, so it does look better, but it's not as good as the other headlight. And here's the before and after of the driver's side headlight. It is greatly improved, and I'm pretty sure this headlight has sat in the sun much more than the passenger side. Alright guys, so I am pretty impressed. This basically works just as good as most headlight wipes, so I don't think this will last too long, but obviously this is a cheap way to make your headlights look a little bit better. Alright guys, so please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.